He lost the microphone, so someone's gotta have taken it. Høyre? Ja. I don't know the difference between them. You know that?
This is like O'boy and milk chocolate,
O'boy milk chocolate.
which is basically just powdered milk chocolate,
Yeah,
but not really.
but it's warm.
Goddamn.
Thank you. Let's look at his technique. Doing so good, sweetie. That's the thing when I'm filming, is that I can only use one pole, but I can do it. Look at him. Like, he's not skied like a day in his life almost, and he's already got it. I heard you calling on the megaphone. You wanna see me all alone. As legend has it, you quite the pyro. You like the match to watch the glow. And if you never call, what if someone just came up behind me? Oh, that was so much fun. Yeah. But it's hard skiing with no poles, let me tell you that. So I hope you're enjoying this video. Please hit the thumbs up button. That means a lot to me. It helps my video grow and reach new people. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you. And subscribe, that would be awesome too.
Only 5 or 50 subscribers.
Oh, he almost fell. Almost got it on camera. Well, looks like I have a gigantic forehead. This is the best workout, I gotta say. It's amazing. Look at my, I got like 2 dots.
Oh, yeah, I can see.
we're down to... Oh, we're done. What?
Can you just go up and drive down here and pick me up?
Yeah.
No,
Lazy.
Joe.
Okay, so 10 kilometers.
Good job.
So we're gonna go up to the car. It's parked over here.
I will start OnlyFans at 50 subscribers, but if we get 1,000.
We're not done.
No,
He
it was
lost-
probably when I fell. I can go get it.
He lost the microphone. I talked to a guy. If you've seen like a microphone like this, and he said that he saw something 2 kilometers back into the tracks. So we're heading back now, and I really hope it's still there when we get there because they're brand new. I just got them. So this is where Magnus fell, and some people said that they saw it here. Oh no. Someone probably picked it up. Oh, that sucks. But it's only a microphone. It's replaceable. It's not the end of the world. It's just like it's just wish someone didn't pick it up, because then I would have it now. Maybe it was the one person I didn't ask. Because the lady said that it was right at this fork that she saw it, but it's not here. Maybe he lost it even further down. It was just in the middle of the tracks, they said. That's where people said that it was right there. Now it's not there. So someone's gotta have taken it. I called Magnus, and he is asking people in the parking lot if they've seen it. But I'm not giving up it just yet. Good news. Some people just passed me and they asked me, have you lost anything? And I was like, yeah, one of these. And they're like, yeah, we passed it, and you don't have to go far, it's just on a field over there. Oh my God. It's amazing how many people can go just straight past something and not pick it up. But I'm thankful that they didn't. But yeah, so good news. I guess I should call Magnus so he doesn't go ask everyone. Oh my God, I see it. There it is. Thank God. We got it. The mic has been found. But I wonder if there, oh my God, I was gonna say if the magnet is here. And it is. So lucky. We got it. I'm so grateful that I found it, and people are so helpful. It's amazing. So as I said, it's not the end of the world. It's just that when you buy something new and you're testing it out for the first time, it sucks to lose it in this way. But we were stopping right here and taking some selfies. I probably just knocked it off Magnus, so it's not his fault. And the reason why I went alone to go look for it was because he's really tired and he's got some chronic pain. I have a lot of energy, and actually I don't. My arms are so tired, and I was so happy to see the parking lot, and I was so happy to get in the car, and then I saw that his mic was missing. But you know what? I got some more exercise in, and I got the mic back, so it's all good. But now I just hope that I'll make it back before it gets dark, because the sun has set. There are no lights, so yeah, I don't really have time to stand here talking to you guys. We just gotta go. My arm is starting to cramp. I got a snowboarding injury in my arm, and it's starting to hurt really bad now. But I'm keeping my head light and positive, because that's just how I do it. No, oh my God, look who it is. Oh, that's a friendly face. Oh my god, it's so nice to see you. Are you trying to kill me?
It went okay?
Yeah, I found it.
Oh.
Yeah. It's just a microphone.
Well,
Could be worse.
it is a 3-day-old microphone, so
Yeah.
it's time usage. So
Yeah. But I got it
you
now.
got it.
Yeah. And because the only thing I was worried about is that the sun just set, and you know I'm very scared of the dark.
Yeah.
And I was like kind of anxious about it being dark. But now I don't have to worry because I got you here.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's gonna be that dark soon.
No, I think I would have made up to you anyway.
Yeah. Were you running around the parking lot asking people?
Yeah.
Yeah, you probably asked all the same people that I asked.
Probably 3 people. One of them you didn't ask, but 2 of them you did.
Yeah.
The 2 girls were so cute.
Yeah.
It was like, oh, good luck trying to find it.
Yeah.
Like from the distance when I was going away.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
But we did find it.
We did find it.
Yeah. We made it to the car before it got dark. And it was such a lovely day.
It was indeed.
It was indeed
And it was a bit of
action, excitement.
it's a bit of dramatics.
So, because I know that you feel guilty.
Yeah, I
you,
feel so guilty.
You shouldn't, because it was probably just me who did it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Gotta breathe, babe.